Welcome to SlideUpLift. Today we're going to create a sleek and professional timeline slide using your company's logo. In this tutorial, we'll explore Meta's evolution as a real-world example to create a stunning and informative timeline slide. To save time, you can even download this template using the link in the description. Or if you'd like to do it yourself, keep watching. Let's start by setting the stage. Select everything on the slide using Ctrl-A and delete it. We'll create a dreamy backdrop by right-clicking on the slide, choosing Format Background, and selecting Gradient Fill. Now let's add a gradient that matches our brand colors. We'll add 3 stops of soft pale blue, a light blue, and a sky blue. Adjust the gradient type to radial and tweak the direction for this effect. Next, we'll insert our logo. Go to Insert, Select Picture, and choose your company's logo. We're using this random logo for now. Resize and center it horizontally on the slide. Let's add some text. Insert a text box and type your title. Then format it with lemon milk font and resize it to 32. Hold and center your text. To give it a matching glow, apply a gradient fill matching the background's sky blue hues. Finally, soften the text with lemon milk medium font. To create more slides with variations, right-click on the slide and choose Duplicate Slide. Delete the title. For slide 2, reposition the logo to the top right corner in such a way that its center lies exactly on the corner of the slide. Insert a relevant icon and resize it. Then match its graphic fill color to the company logo using the eyedropper tool. Then place the icon. Add 2 text boxes, one with a font size of 66 for your title and the other with a font size of 24 for your body text. Apply the same gradient to both text boxes. Add the remaining text content. For slide 3, duplicate the second slide and move the logo to the bottom right corner. Update the icon and text content of each slide. Repeat this process for the 4th and 5th slides, repositioning the logo to the bottom left and top left corners, respectively. For the final slide, duplicate the title slide and change the text to an end slide message. On the second slide, select all elements except the logo. In the Animations tab, pick the Fade animation and set Start to After Previous. Repeat this for all slides except the title and end slide. To add a magical transition between slides, select all slides and in the Transitions tab, apply the Morph transition. Now, preview your slideshow and enjoy the celestial transformation. And that's it. You've created a professional and engaging timeline slide. Check out the link in the description to download the template now. You can also get 10% off with the code in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SlideUpLift. Hit that bell icon to get notified for our next video. You can check out our channel for more PowerPoint tutorials.